Okay, let's be honest. Hair regrowth is a mess. Minoxidil, finasteride, microneedling. They work, but innovation has been stuck for years. So when I first heard about Lavomist, I thought, this could be interesting. It is launching on Kickstarter and it's promising two things that really caught my eye. The 4-dimensional light therapy system and the 3-stage care system. Ultimately resulting in this device. Both are designed to work directly on the scalp to address hair concerns from the root, delivering in theory results that go deeper and last longer than surface level care. So, could this actually be the next step forward in scalp health? Well, there's only one way to find out, so let's open it together. The packaging feels premium right away. Clean, sturdy, protective. You can tell they thought about the unboxing experience. Inside, the first thing you notice is the device. Solid, well built and with detachable reservoirs. Smart because you can fill them with whatever solution you want and swap them easily. I'm sticking with minoxidil because it's still the gold standard. But the flexibility here is nice. You can also use, for example, rosemary oil, castor oil or any other serums you prefer. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The 4-dimensional light therapy system. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of a long word. But it is based on photobiomodulation, which means that it uses specific wavelengths of light to support scalp and follicle health. Lavomist integrates 4 wavelengths that penetrate both the epidermis and dermis layers of the scalp, helping to improve follicle health from the root. Blue helps control oil and bacteria. Yellow calms and soothes irritation. Red energizes follicle cells. And at last, infrared boosts circulation and absorption. Each wavelengths play a role and together they create an environment for healthier and more resilient hair. The second standout feature is the 3-stage care system. It's a guided routine for your scalp, but surprisingly smart. The first mode is the cleansing mode. It uses blue light to help cleanse and control oil buildup. The second mode is the liquid delivery mode. It uses red light and infrared light to enhance serum absorption and stimulate follicles. And at last, the mode 3 is the soothing and relax mode. It uses yellow light with gentle massage to calm and relax the scalp. It works directly on your scalp to address hair concerns at multiple angles. Cleansing, absorption and recovery. All in one device. Filling it is super easy. You just use the dropper they include, fill the small reservoir with your serum, in my case minoxidil, clip it in and you're ready to go. And it feels like the product is actually being absorbed evenly, not just sitting on the top of your scalp. When you switch modes, the light and massage automatically adjust depending on what your scalp needs. Mode 1 feels refreshing, almost cooling. Mode 2 gives a warm, stimulating effect. You can literally feel the circulation picking up. Mode 3 is incredibly relaxing, perfect after microneedling or on days when your scalp feels tight or irritated. The massage is surprisingly pleasant. There are 46 silicone nodes that move just enough to mimic a professional scalp massage. Gentle but stimulating. It's one of those sensations that wants you to just keep going. When you combine that with the light therapy and serum delivery, you are covering 3 essentials at once: light, touch and absorption. Exactly what the 3-stage care system was designed for. Just as a cool feature, it is waterproof and its battery lasts about 15 hours and it charges via USB-C. I guess practical. But really what makes Lavomist stand out is its combination of the 3-stage care system and the 4-dimensional light therapy system. So it's a complete scalp care routine built into one device. Overall, Lavomist feels like very smart and thoughtful engineering. It just makes it effortless to use. With the 3-stage care system, you don't need to guess what your scalp really needs. So for me, it is a refreshing take on scalp care. Scientific, functional and really enjoyable to use. I'll be testing this over the next few months alongside with minoxidil and microneedling to see how it performs long term. If you want to try it early, Lavomist will be launching soon on Kickstarter. I will leave the link in the description. That's it for today's first impressions. Could the 4-dimensional light therapy system and the 3-stage care system actually be the future of scalp care? Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, I wish you a happy hair journey. Bye.